What if I told you that just 2 minutes of this special breathing techniques can help lower inflammation in your body without expensive supplements or extreme diets or exercising? And this isn't a wellness trend. This exact breathing technique is used by Navy SEALs before their high stress missions, and it reduces their cortisol by 30% and also lowers inflammation within few minutes. So stay with me till the end of this video because I'm going to show you exactly how to use this scientifically proven breathing techniques so you can lower inflammation very quickly in your body. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a former Cleveland Clinic functional medicine physician from US. I help people reverse their chronic diseases by making personalized functional medicine plans. And today I'm sharing with you the most powerful breathing technique which is used by elite military forces, several CEOs as well as high performing athletes to lower their stress response and also improve their inflammation levels in your body. Now let's first talk about how a simple breathing technique can help you lowering inflammation in your body. So this connection between your breathing and inflammation comes from a hormone called cortisol and also comes from a nerve called vagus nerve, which is the longest nerve in your body. Whenever your body is stressed out, your adrenals will secrete high amount of cortisol. When your body goes through constant stress, whether it is physical, emotional, work-related or personal stress, it sends the signal to your adrenal gland to keep on producing more and more cortisol. Several research studies have shown that high amount of cortisol in our body triggers inflammation, and those people have high amount of IL-6 and other inflammatory markers in their body. The second thing this chronic stress does is that it weakens your vagus nerve. Vagus nerve is a very important part of your parasympathetic nervous system. When your vagus nerve is weak, then your body's sympathetic nervous system takes over, and that causes release of several inflammatory markers in your body. And now we have several research studies which shows that by lowering the effect of stress on your adrenals and your vagus nerve, you can actually lower inflammation in your body. In this aspect, I want to share this specific research study which was published in 2017 in the Journal of Psychoneuroendocrinology, which includes this specific breathing technique called box breathing. The researchers discovered that people who use this specific breathing technique were literally able to turn off their inflammatory pathways, specifically NF-kappa B pathway, which is a major pathway causing inflammation in your body. This means this specific breathing technique called box breathing not only help your body in relaxation, but can actually turn off certain inflammatory genes so that your body's inflammation levels decreases very quickly. So today I want to share with you this specific breathing technique called the box breathing, which not only is used by Navy SEALs, but several celebrities also use this breathing technique. One of the celebrity, Chris Hemsworth, which you might know as Thor into the Marvel movies, has publicly demonstrated this breathing techniques, and he uses this particular technique as part of his wellness routine each and every day. So let me share with you this exact breathing technique and how to use it properly so that way it can help you in lowering inflammation quickly in your body. So here's the step 1. Getting into the position. So for this, either you can sit up straight with the feet flat on the ground as well as straight back, or either you can just lie down comfortably, and then you place one of your hands on your chest and the other hand place it on your belly, and we want this belly hand to do majority of the moving. Now step 2 is the actual breathing technique and how you do it. So you start with inhalation. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts. Then you hold your breath for 4 counts. Then you start exhaling through your mouth for another 4 counts. And then after exhalation, you hold your breath for another 4 counts. So this completes one cycle. So as you will see, this creates a box pattern where you have 4 equal sides. One side which is inhalation, then you hold the breath, then you do the exhalation, and then you hold the breath again, and then you repeat this cycle. Do this for at least 4 to 8 complete cycles. This will approximately take you between 2 to 4 minutes. Now step 3 over here is mastering this technique. Most people have done deep breathing techniques where they take a deep inhalation and then they will do a long exhalation. But this is very different because you are holding your breath in between at two different points. So initially when you're trying this technique, it will take some time for you to get used to it. The key for this technique to work for you is to keep all the phases exactly the same length. The research shows this specific technique of breathing can help you to hack into your nervous system, and as we discussed before, you are able to turn off the stress response and also turn off genes which produces inflammation markers in your body. What researchers also found that when you have mastered the technique of keeping all the phases of same length, you are creating something called coherent breathing. It synchronizes your heart rate, your blood pressure as well as your brain waves. It also strengthens your vagus nerve and activates your parasympathetic response in your body, which not only helps you to relax but also improves your gut functioning as well as strengthens your immune system. Interestingly, research shows not only this box breathing can lower inflammation and also lower stress response, but it can help you to lower your blood pressure in high blood pressure folks. It also improves your mood, specifically improves anxiety and depression issues. It really works great for people who have sleep problems or insomnia issues too. Now the next question is that what is the best time of doing this and how often you should do it? So the best time of doing this is as soon as you wake up in the morning. If you do this technique, then it sets the right tone of your body by creating an environment where your body can flourish as well as lowered inflammation in your body. The second time to do it is just before your bed. You will accumulate a lot of inflammatory chemicals during your day. So before your bed, if you do this technique, it will help to flush out those inflammatory markers from your system, thereby again creating this anti-inflammatory environment for your body to fall asleep and heal your body. And then obviously if you're feeling stressed out during the day or if you're going through any stressful situation, you can use this technique then and there. That will help you in lowering your stress instantly. So I recommend doing it twice a day, first thing in the morning as well as second time before you go to bed, so that can give you the maximum benefit. As with any lifestyle changes that I share with you, consistency is the key. You might not see the best results by doing it only one time, but if you do it consistently time and again for a few weeks, that's the time your body will start changing. Your genes will also follow along and you will see that your inflammation markers are improving. After a few weeks, you will see significant improvement in your sleep quality, your stress levels will go down, your mood will get better, you will feel more energized, and you will feel that the inflammation levels in your body are also decreasing. So make this as a part of your anti-inflammatory routine today itself and see how it can improve your inflammation levels just in few weeks. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel as well as share this with others who can benefit from this great information. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.